Hiya, today is post-op day. I did achieve sleeking my hair up, but I can't wait to get back home because I want to wear my hair down. But for right now, I just gotta hang tight just because this side here, I just think my hair just needs a little break from sleeking, brushing, all that type of things. So I just wanted to just let it be free. This is post-op day 202. So of course, as you guys know, my hair is sleeked up. Hopefully I can get a chance to wash my hair tomorrow, and I kind of wear my hair freely soon because I'm really anxious to do that. This is post-op day 203. Of course, I did make it to wash day, and I'm so relieved that I was able to get all the gel out of my hair, and I don't think I'll be slicking it down or up, I would say, for a while. I'm kind of enjoying my curls just popping and being free. We're back to regular schedule since I'm back home and everything like that. So right now, I'm thinking of doing my V-part wig that I was telling you guys about. Just because I'm thinking of switching things up, but I feel like that'll allow me to wear my hair a little bit more freely. Maybe shortly after that, since this back end here is a little bit lengthy, we might be able to do some braids. Who knows? Or some sort of like braided protective style just so that I can keep my hands out of it. I have to figure out how I'm going to go about maintaining the health scalp by washing it and keeping it clean very often. So we will see. But this is post-op day 204, right? 204. This is post-op day 205. Didn't really do much to it today. Feeling quite moisturized. I didn't even really moisturize it today, but it still feels really, really good to the touch. But this is post-op day 206. I did not do absolutely anything to my hair. I just laid around all day in a scarf, but I will say that my scalp is a little sensitive up here. I'm not sure, it's just because I've been tying the knot right here with my scarf, but that's about all I have to complain about. But this is post-op day 207. Looking pretty full. Well, hiya! Today is post-op day 208, and I'm here to give you guys the updates on my hair. Of course, today was Wash Reset Sunday. I did get a chance to do that with a new product I got a chance to try. So that was pretty decent. I pretty much liked it. I am looking a little bit different right now just because I want you guys to see the growth from where I was. I normally don't come out and wear my hair out like this. Is normally either slick back or something like that, but today I just wanted to be combed out and free for you guys to see, and I want you guys just to see how far we've come with the natural hair growth in these areas. Currently they're wet, obviously, but I just want you guys to see how it looks. Now in the insides here, I feel like it's a little gappy for me. I feel like I need to give it some time to be just let alone instead of sleeking it back and everything like that. So now I will start to just kind of wear my hair in free form, if you will. I will be styling it still, but it'll be less manipulated, if you will. So I'm going to try my best not to do any like sleek back buns or anything like that. Just kind of like let it be free. Now, if I'm just feeling for the day that I want a bun, I'm going to do it. But for right now, I think I'm going to just enjoy it free form and let everything catch up to where it needs to. But other than that, I don't really have anything else to say. But this is post-op day 208, you guys. And I will see you guys next week.